NSCDC don't bring new one, no. They don't feel say now women now be the key for this country to protect our children and everybody. So they don't bring a new thing where they call Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps for women, basically. This one now only women and they want inside this group. This group don't they see so, but this one now they don't select some squad for women. Hey, waiting women feel secure for this Nigeria. Men they there and I no use them. Now women will be say they don't even to get strength. Now I won't use. And I don't see the video of these women. Some of them even they fit, but most now people mama we don't eat eba. Their belly don't big, their nyash don't big. They no go even fit do anything. Now when I can't carry say I won't use them as security. Men I first watch this video first.
Been engaged by bandits and criminals. What you have seen.
This is a newly commissioned Special Women Corps under the Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps. They will be deployed to schools to provide security. This is to strengthen the resilience of more than 180,000 schools in the nation, which have become vulnerable to criminal attacks. The Minister of Interior, Rauf Arigbesola, describes this initiative as the most reliable to check security in schools and domestic violence.
We have developed a special corps of women who are more subtle, who are more committed and dedicated than men to one, look at safe schools initiative, drive it to success, and have added to that directive the need for them to be specially concerned about violations of women.
Hey, see women we get big belly and big nyash. What thing they want secure for this country? How they want even take care of you? You where they want help, say okay, I want secure this person. They never even fit carry their belly run. Now human being now they want carry take run, where they will even pass. If kidnappers come now, beg, where then these people won't pass? Because I sure say they don't even fit carry themselves. If now we employ people, making I employ people where they fit, not be people where be say they don't even fit carry themselves. Because this one now, if another kidnap case come now, nothing where these people fit do. It show me say they no go fit do anything. They just fat, belly big, breast big, nyash big. What thing I want secure for this country now? Making at least 5 women. Army day, women army day, mopo day, men I use them. No be people mama will be say they suppose they house, they cook food for their husband. And I can't carry say yes, we don't see work for now. Now this kind of work, now I go favor now. Men I can't do security work. Which kind of security work be this one? Nigerian, I think say na get sense. And I won't just deceive people say, oh yes, and I don't bring new work come town. But this one, which kind of work be this one? Because he showed me if they carry this woman, make them even start to they shoot gun now. All these women go run, leave them, these children. They know if you secure any picking for that place. Themselves, they go one first waiting. Protect their own life. Who won't die? Nobody won't die. Oh. This kidnapping case now everywhere night day. If government don't bring this one, they go bring that one. So they don't feel say this new civil defense, this way they bring. Now ain't good oh. Now ain't go help Nigerian ladies. As women now, we don't turn feminists. We self, we don't talk say okay, anything we man sabi do, we self, we sabi do and gidigba. We self strong, we dead there. This one now, we sure say we go fit do this kind thing. Then these women we there, they go fit do this kind work. Hey, things they really happen. Government no even they think. Men they there and no use men as security oh. People we even strong, make I say women we even strong, we they fit. We be say if they say run, they go fit run. If they say attention, they go stand. This one now, if they say attention, face front, they go face back. Because these people not even ready. And I'm sure saying they even train these people at all. Because even if they train themselves, I know sure say this training even last 1 month, a bit 2 months. Because these people know they fit at all. They not even near fit. Talk less of say they fit at all to do this thing. So now here, now we're going to bring this story to the end though. If you not get anything when I want to talk, may I not forget to comment though. And may I not forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel though. May I stay tuned for our next story.